Today I go to the zoo alone. Today I go to the zoo alone.
The weather is beautiful and sunny. I wear my favorite yellow dress. I wear my favorite yellow dress. My sunglasses look stylish today. My sunglasses look stylish today. I buy a ticket at the entrance. I buy a ticket at the entrance.
Welcome to the zoo. Welcome to the zoo.
Thank you. Thank you. I walk through the big gate slowly. I walk through the big gate slowly. Wow, the zoo is enormous. Wow, the zoo is enormous. I see a zoo map near the entrance. I see a zoo map near the entrance. This map looks colorful. This map looks colorful. First, I visit the lion area. First, I visit the lion area. The lion looks strong and majestic. The lion looks strong and majestic. Its fur is beautiful. Its fur is beautiful. Suddenly, the lion roars loudly. Suddenly, the lion roars loudly. I jump a little in surprise. I jump a little in surprise. That scared me. That scared me.
A little boy nearby starts laughing. A little boy nearby starts laughing.
The lion is hungry. The lion is hungry. Next, I walk to the monkey area. I walk to the monkey area. The monkeys are very funny. The monkeys are very funny. One monkey swings from a rope. One monkey swings from a rope. Another monkey makes a silly face at me. Another monkey makes a silly face at me. I cannot stop laughing. I cannot stop laughing. You are so cute. You are so cute. One monkey steals a banana from another monkey. One monkey steals a banana from another monkey. The monkeys begin chasing each other loudly. The monkeys begin chasing each other loudly. Then I visit the giraffes. Then I visit the giraffes. Wow, the giraffes are so tall. Wow, the giraffes are so tall. Their necks look amazing. Their necks look amazing. I feed a giraffe carefully. I feed a giraffe carefully. Its tongue is very long. Its tongue is very long. Ew, that feels weird. Ew, that feels weird. A zookeeper smiles at me. A zookeeper smiles at me. The giraffes like you. The giraffes like you. I feel happy and proud. I feel happy and proud.
Next, I visit the elephant area. Next, I visit the elephant area.
The elephants look calm and gentle. The elephants look calm and gentle. One baby elephant sprays water everywhere. One baby elephant sprays water everywhere.
Oh no! My dress is splashed now! Oh no! My dress is splashed now!
Some people nearby laugh kindly. Some people nearby laugh kindly. I laugh too. I laugh too. That baby elephant is naughty. That baby elephant is naughty. Then I walk to the panda area. Then I walk to the panda area.
The pandas are sleeping peacefully. The pandas are sleeping peacefully.
One panda hugs a bamboo stick. One panda hugs a bamboo stick. It looks so fluffy and adorable. It looks so fluffy and adorable. I want to hug the panda. I want to hug the panda.
Suddenly, one panda rolls down slowly. Suddenly, one panda rolls down slowly.
I take many photos with my phone. I take many photos with my phone. The photos look beautiful. The photos look beautiful. Then I hear loud noises nearby. Then I hear loud noises nearby. I walk toward the penguin area. I walk toward the penguin area.
The penguins walk funny and slowly. The penguins walk funny and slowly.
One penguin slips into the water. One penguin slips into the water. I laugh loudly. I laugh loudly. That penguin is so clumsy. That penguin is so clumsy. Next, I visit the reptile house. The room is dark and cold. The room is dark and cold. I see a giant snake behind the glass. I see a giant snake behind the glass. The snake looks scary. The snake looks scary. It moves slowly toward the window. It moves slowly toward the window. My heart beats fast. My heart beats fast.
Don't worry.
The glass is very strong. The glass is very strong. I take a deep breath. I take a deep breath. Okay. I'm safe. Okay, I'm safe. After that, I buy some popcorn. After that, I buy some popcorn. The popcorn smells delicious. The popcorn smells delicious. I sit on a bench near the lake. I sit on a bench near the lake. The flamingos look elegant and pink. The flamingos look elegant and pink. Suddenly, dark clouds appear. Suddenly, dark clouds appear. It starts raining lightly. It starts raining lightly. Oh no, I forgot my umbrella. Oh no, I forgot my umbrella. I run to a small cafe nearby. I run to a small cafe nearby. The cafe feels warm and cozy. I drink hot chocolate while watching the rain. I drink hot chocolate while watching the rain. The rain finally stops. The rain finally stops. I smile and look at the rainbow above the zoo.
What a wonderful day at the zoo! What a wonderful day at the zoo!
Learn English with Lyly.